Hello, trombone students. This video is to show you how to play Bring On Da Band for trombone. I'm just going to take you through each part. While you're watching this, you should definitely have your music in front of you, because I'm going to call out some parts that I'm talking about, and if you're looking at it, it'll actually make sense, promise. So, Bring On Da Band is a nice feature for trombone in a couple of places. First four measures, introduction, starts out with Fs on half notes, three measures of that, first measure, second measure, third measure, and the fourth measure has a classic trombone slash like bass instrument walk down, blah, 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 blah. So that's where it goes up to five. So that much up to the first note of measure five sounds like this. By the way, the notes that you need for this song are the first five notes of your scale: B flat, C, D, E flat, F. These are those notes. B flat, take lock off, sixth position C, fourth position D, third position E flat, and first position F. So those are the five notes you need, and here's how this part plays. First four measures and the first beat of measure five. So it goes like this. If this is speed, we'll count it like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Simple enough. Makes sense. At measure five, we have the first part of what is the melody. You playing the trombone, you do not have the melody. You have the bass part, which is the underpinning of what everything else goes on top of. So if you're strong, you will help everybody else settle in, because your part is pretty regular. And you have B flat, rest, D, rest, E flat, D, E flat, D. Then it repeats B flat, D, rest, F, F, F. Then it's going to repeat. And now we're looking at measure 9. This is a repetition of what has started at measure 5. So measure 9, you have B flat, D, E flat, D, E flat, D. So that much is the same. And now this last time is a little bit different, because you're going to have, starting at 11, you have C, F, B flat, F, B flat, which is, that's measure 12, that last part. And that is a great thing to practice on its own. B flat to F and back again without changing position. All in your embouchure, okay? So here is measure 5 to measure 12, right? This is the first part of the song, the melody part. So 1, 2, goes like this. Nice part, right? 13, you're going to have your first real, I think, challenge is counting this first part, because you have quarter note, half note, quarter note. So that's first beat, second beat, ringing through the third, and playing on the fourth. You have B flat, D. So it's actually very similar to what you just played in 5, because the rhythm is different. The notes are similar. B flat, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, B flat, rest, 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 rest. That is in measure 15 and 16. There's a little rest there, so you got to count that. 17 does the same thing, ends on a high F, and continues to rest. So here's that part, 13. Goes like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 16, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 20, 2, 3, 4. That is a great way to count those measures. Either say the measure or just count to 4. So like I'm going to go backwards to 15. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you play again. So that's how you should count that. 21, you're back there. It's a repeat of what you just had. So it's going to play what happened at 13 is the same thing that happens at 21. The only difference is now after you rest the first time, you're playing what's basically the intro again. This is at measure 25. You have those Fs for half notes. And then it ends at 29. And then after that, as you can see, there's lots of rests. So here's 21. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4, 24. 2, 3, 25. 2, 3, 4, 30, 31, 32. So you keep counting like that up until 37. 37, you have 2 measures of rest, and then you come in with some big half notes. E flat, D, then the same 2 notes. E flat, D, different rhythm. That's 39. 40, 41, 42, you're resting again. 43, you have some half notes again. C, C, and then guess what? It's that walk down part again. F, E flat, D, C, B flat, and then 45, you're back to that melody part again. Is there anything different after that? The ending, there's a little bit of an ending. So what I'm saying is 45, you're back to the beginning again, like where you start at 5. It's kind of the same thing at 45. You go along. And now the ending, the last 4 measures, 51 to 54. You have C, C, F, 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 B flat, 2, 3, 4, 1, F, B flat. So you got a little extra little counting thing at the end there. 53 and 54, bop, 2, 3, 4. 54 is a rest on the first beat, and you play 2, 3, 4. Here's what 37 to the end sounds like. So ready, go. Rest, 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 ready, play.